What's up, YouTube? This your boy Ray Mack. Today I'm doing a collaboration with my boy Chef King Fresh. We're both doing some chicken wings, so this is a chicken wing collaboration. I don't know what he's doing over there on his channel, but please go over there and check out Chef King Fresh channel. Yes, sir. I'm going to put a link below. Let's get into the video and let me show you how I'm making my wings. All right, YouTube, what's up, Today we're going to be on this here grill, and today we're going to fix us up some wings. I call these sweet and heat wings. So they're going to be sweet with a little heat to it. So I'm going to do the rub right now. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do as far as the rub goes. So here I got half a cup of sugar that's going into this here container. Okay, half a cup of sugar. And I got some of this here garlic, salt, and parsley seasoning. So you can find this at a if you got it in your area. I don't know if it's like a Big Lots, or you can go to the dollar store. This is where I found it, at the Big Lots. So I'm putting a little bit of that in there, and some of this stuff you can just eyeball and judge it yourself as far as your measurement goes. So I got some black pepper. All right, these wings are gonna be fantastic. I'm putting them on the grill, and then I'm going to toss in some of this here paprika. All right, haven't did a wing video on the grill in a while, so I think it's time. I'm overdue. And then I'm gonna put in some of this here chicken seasoning. Okay, and after that I'm gonna toss in some of the taco seasoning. This is gonna give it that chili flavor, you know what I'm saying? Gonna give it that little kick to the wings. And I got some more ingredients that's gonna give it a little bit more and kick. Like I say, your judgment preference as far as your measurement goes, just add as much as you like or less as you like. So I'm putting in some allspice in this, okay? And I know some people like allspice. Yeah, allspice is gonna hype it up a bit. So I put in about a tablespoon, not a tablespoon, but a teaspoon of that. And I got some ginger, just a little bit, just a pinch. And I also got, let me see, some nutmeg. Yep, nutmeg. I know y'all like, this dude is crazy, he's wild with it, but yeah, a little bit of nutmeg, just a pinch. That's all you need. And for the heat, I got here a combination of ghost peppers, chocolate Buddha peppers. I got some habaneros, some jalapenos, and I also have some sweet bell peppers that's dried up into this here mix right here, y'all. And I'm telling you, this is gonna bring the heat. And if you don't have this and you want to substitute for just like regular ground pepper or something like that, cayenne pepper, be my guest, you could definitely use that. But this is going to make that heat kick. So this is why I'm calling it sweet and heat wings. All right, with the Carolina Reapers is in here as well, with some ghost peppers. All right, just want to put a little bit, not too much. That's it right there, because I'm telling you, this stuff is hot. Now I just want to go ahead and shake it on up. And my little wing seasoning is complete. Now I just want to see if I can just taste it a little bit, make sure that all this flavors is combined like I like it. Oh yeah, ooh, that heat. You can feel that right away. So I just want to put this on the wings. So I did wash and clean these here wings. These wings were washed and cleaned, and I patted them dry. Then, man, I feel that heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give these a toss. Ooh, that heat is there. I'm gonna put in just a little bit more of this seasoning. Flies out here, they activated. And I think this might be it. I think this just might be it. If you can see. I don't know if you can see this. I think that might be it. Had to get in the shade here a little bit because we out here in the sun. Now I just want to put these on the grill. I got these wings on indirect heat, which means coal is over here and nothing is over here. And for this rib, that's definitely another video. And I'm gonna post that video in the iCard above, so you can check that recipe out for these here, for this rib recipe. That worked perfect. And we'll just put the lid back on here. The temperature is set right at 250. So that's what we want to do. So for the next 40 to 45 minutes, I'm gonna let this cook, and I'm gonna try to baste these wings with some vinegar every 40 to 45 minutes. So we'll be right back.
Sugar in here? Huh?
What?
You added sugar in here?
Tastes like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, girl. You know your taste. You don't like it?
I do. It's just hot. You just got these out?
Mm-hmm.
It's hot.
Now I need a good
This
fix.
is the third time you cooked on the stove. On the grill.
Please comment below and tell me what you think about these here chicken wings. But before you go, please check out Chef King Fresh. I guarantee you're gonna like what my brother's doing over there on his channel. And I also want to say thank you so much for watching this here video. Please comment below. Also give this video a thumbs up. Share this video on your social media, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. And I also want to say love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. And don't forget to subscribe for more channels. Love you guys.